Jeremy Miles.
On Monday evening, I attended, together with my colleague David Rees, the Volunteer Awards evening of Neath Port Talbot Council for Voluntary Services. I had the honour of presenting awards to many of those whose contribution was celebrated that evening. And as I looked out at the room on Monday evening, I realised that a good number of the people I have met and who have inspired me in my work during the last year were sitting right there in front of me. Whether it be teaching digital skills to others at Wellincrothen Community Conference or the NPT Homes Digital Project, the Fan Community Gardeners of Ethel Street, the Young Cadets of 334 Squadron, Team Clarewood, the formerly homeless young people who are now running a social enterprise, the Bryn Coch Environment Group working to protect our local toad population, Canolfan Mardi, Epilepsy Action, Age Connect, the Friends of Bernardo's in Neath, or the extraordinary example of my constituent Harry Evans Mason, who at the age of only 18 has given so much of his own time and in doing so has inspired others to do the same. These are just some of the many individuals and organisations who give so much every day and often help transform the lives of others. This week is Volunteer Week, and so I hope you will all join me in thanking all of those who are volunteers in whatever capacity across Wales and in giving them the recognition they deserve for making our communities better places to live.